Hello everybody, I would like to introduce you about our parking lot. Now you can see, here is our parking lot. We have many buses in stock. We have Yutong, Tiger, Zhongtong, and many different brands available. Now I would like to introduce you about our hot sale bus model, Yutong model ZK6112. Here please. Okay, as you can see, this is our Yutong bus. This is the model information, 6112D. Now let's go inside and have a look. We will change the seat covers into totally new ones. As you can see, it's totally new. Also here, please. And we can customize the windows into sliding windows, because in many African countries, that customer need to change into sliding windows. Okay, as you can see, this bus has 50 plus seats with new seat covers. Okay, here this bus has a front engine, and this is our working platform. As you can see, it's very new. This is the gears. Left-hand drive. Okay, here, please, here. Also, we can customize the USB here under every seat, so the passengers can charge their phones.